I want to show you how to easily share an announcement with multiple classes. So I've got my announcement here for tomorrow. I'm going to do a Zoom meeting for students to get some help as they're getting started. So before I go ahead and save it, I just want to show you one of the things that I do for my announcements. And it's because I usually screw something up and I don't notice it until after I've posted it, of course. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this option, delay posting, and I just give myself 10 minutes or something. So I do want to post it today. See, it's 7:44 right now. So I'm just going to say that I want to post it at 8 o'clock p.m. Okay, that gives me 15 minutes. I can't tell you how many times this has saved me. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click save. So I've got this posted now. It's posting. So I've got it posted now to one of my classes, but I'd like to go ahead and post it to all of my classes. I could copy my material and then paste it into new announcements, or I can click on the three dots here. I'm going to choose copy to. So I choose copy to, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the class that I want. I'm in Math 200 right now, so I'm going to choose my pre-calc class. It does give me the option to select a module, but I don't want to put it in a module. Canvas automatically recognizes that this is an announcement and it will post it as an announcement to this class. So I just go ahead and click copy. I'm going to close this and I'm going to do it again because I've got one more class. So I click the three dots again, copy to, and now I'm going to copy it to my third class, which is my 146. Okay, copy and then close. I want to show you what it looks like in my other classes. Notice how my avatar here shows up. That's the only thing you lose. So kind of keep that in mind. If you are in love with your avatar, it's going to go away. But I think it's maybe worth it because it saves so much time here. So let me go ahead and grab my announcements to this class. And you'll see that my announcement here has shown up. The only thing you want to be careful of is maybe a link. Mine's a Zoom link, so it's fine. It's an external link. But if there is a link here that was for the class, somewhere in the class site for Canvas, you want to go ahead and just click edit. Remember, you've got 15 minutes. You want to click edit and then maybe make any changes there that you need to, knowing that students aren't going to see that until 8 p.m. anyway. So that copy to feature is such a great way to get announcements copied from one class to another with only the loss of your little avatar there.